Okay, Mäx Mäleon Cargo trike. Changing the tyres for the winter. Changed one already. You will need a box. That's very helpful. Haven't done the rear one yet. That should be fun. This isn't actually, well, I'd hope obviously this isn't a difficult one to do. The rear ones had me scratching my head as to what I'd need to do. Spend a bit more time. But it's going to have to be done sooner or later. I'm going to put those tools. Right, something to kneel on. Let's be comfortable at least. Had some punctures on the other side. I noticed that I had more wear on the left side tyre. I'm in the UK, so I assume I'm getting a lot more wear from the gutter side of things. I would imagine it's something similar on people that drive on the correct side of the road. I'll speed this up. I also have quite a bit of chain stretch. I've had the bike for 9 months. So I'll have to take the chain guard off, give that a clean and adjust the wheels. What we could do with, and one of the reasons why I'm doing this video, is a bit more instruction videos. The manual I got with the bike, well, helpful. Didn't say much about what happens when you get a puncture. Yeah, there's glass here, not just nails and things. So chucking some thread sealant in, tube sealant does help. Tire sealant, tube sealant. I had some slime in this one and the other one. Maybe not as exciting as a drone video, but might be useful to someone. Me at least. Of course, like anything, if you leave it on a while, it gets fixed in its ways. Or is it just dirt? Please be free to criticise my technique. I would leave this one on normally. Well, in the summer months, till it's worn down a bit, but it's had a fair bit of wear too. Oh, box quick. thought that one seems fine. I thought it'd might be a wee puncture, but no signs of it. I'm a little more inclined just to put a fresh set on. But okay. Depends how slick you want it. Down. Right, here, 1365 tyre. Cat or dog?
Cat. He escaped out the window and he was not meant to.
Isn't it one that looks like it's got lots of Scottish wildcat in it? Is it?
He's like a tabby. He's
All
a
right.
wee blue collar. He's got a wee wobbly buttons.
All right. Didn't notice that.
Mischief maker usually. He's in people's houses and
Uh-huh.
probably. That's what he gets up to.
Just making sure there's no dead snails in there. My delightful leaky asbestos shed, masquerading as a garage. I just leave this unedited, add it to my paint drying videos. Or a man doing job badly. Do cats laugh? They're vengeful, know that. Oh, come on, get on easy side. I want this easy side in. Yeah, make the rim side on the inside. Get that in first, make your life easier for yourself. Not that it's a difficult job. I'll do, I think. I would recommend thread sealant with all these kind of trikes because you're a bit more exposed. At least I imagine that to be the case. Well, your wheel is. Yeah, so are you actually, because the wheels are on the outside of the main body. There will be muck and stuff flying up, so having those mudguard flaps is a very good idea for you and your passengers. Mine actually came off. It was held on with clips and Velcro. I'm not really a fan. I actually glued mine on with E6000 acrylic glue. I mean, the Velcro bit was Velcro strip, which was already had strong adhesive on the back. No problem with that. It's just something knocked it. I was at work and somebody found it, so something a little bit more secure. So I don't see why you get a lot of these, well, maybe it just wasn't available to them. Mudguards with flaps, bits that can be attached, maybe not as long as these, but you could maybe use that where there's the hole where it had been fixed to fix their one on. Anyway, I'm glad they designed it in. Oh, I don't know, right? Oh yeah. And a pump. Curious to how different it will ride now. One for luck. Might be a little bit of rubbing on the mud guard. They're just parts of that have been extruded from the mould. They'll rub off quite quick. I wouldn't get upset about it. There we are. Move that first. I should try adjusting the rear wheel and chain next. Wish me luck.